So in this video, what we're going to do is change the appearance of these boxes using CSS Hero. What I want to do is add, firstly, a border radius. Go into the section here that says border radius and slide this to the right. And as you can see, it updates the border radius of all the containers. I'm going to make the border radius 20. Actually, no, I'm going to set it equal to 15. As you can see, the picture here is above the container. So we're going to edit the border radius on the image separately. Now, if you saw the code from earlier, it is border radius 15 pixels. Actually, no. In this case, I'm going to make it 10 pixels. If you just have one, this will apply a border radius to all four corners. If you do two, the one on the left is going to be the border radius on the top, and on the right, this is going to apply a border radius on the bottom. If you have a third one, it's going to be the border radius on going clockwise, the top, then it's going to be the left and right, and then it's going to be the bottom. Let's, for example, set this to 0 to see what happens. As you can see, the border radius doesn't change on top right and the bottom left. Okay, and then since the border radius on the image and the container is dealt with, I'm going to add an outline along the container. I'm going to re-click container. And I'm going to add a border around it. The border is going to be black. Black has a hexadecimal of all zeros. White has a hexadecimal of all capital Fs. In hexadecimal, it makes a difference whether these are lowercase or uppercase. Lowercase is going to be down. Basically, it goes from 0 to 9, then lowercase a to lowercase f, and then it's going to be uppercase A, capital F. So basically, if you have the color red, lowercase f is going to be somewhere in the middle, maybe a little to the right and center. And then capital F is going to be all the way to the end here. A 0 is going to be all the way to the left. And this also applies to green and blue. See what happened. I made the border radius white. I did not want to do that. I'm going to make it black. And then, okay, I'm going to make it solid. And the border width is going to be, let's make it 3. Let's make it 2. Okay. And then to exit, see this hero, you just click the power button there, and it asks you, do you want to quit? Click OK. Basically, I saw that one of the columns was misaligned with the other columns. Change that. This is a blog module. I'm going to set the excerpt length to a lower level. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. Okay, that concludes the video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel.